Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today I am going to show you how to protect your hard disk drive with password using Bitlocker. So don't forget to watch full video. Sometimes it becomes very necessary for you to protect your personal or confidential documents from other users. To do this, you can protect your hard disk drive with password using Bitlocker encryption. Okay, let's do it. Click on search menu, type control panel. Click on control panel. Click on system and security. Click Bitlocker drive encryption. Uh, Look here my E drive Bitlocker on and locked. Now I want to lock my F drive with Bitlocker. Okay, click here, click turn on Bitlocker. Okay, choose how you want to unlock this drive. Okay, I will use password. So click here, use a password to unlock the drive. Now you can set your password. Now click next. Save to a file. You can save your password to a file. Okay, or you can print the recovery key. Okay, or save to a USB flash drive. I am just clicking save to a file. Where I want to save. Okay, desktop. Okay, click on yes. Next, encrypt use disk space only. Okay, fine. It will encrypt only use disk space, or you can encrypt entire drive. Okay, if you click on enter drive, it may make slower your PC. Okay, it is not uh, good idea. So encrypt use disk space only. Next, new encryption mode. Okay, next, start encrypting. After completion your encryption process, you just need to restart your computer. Then now you can check, open File Explorer. Your drive will look like this. Click on this drive. Look, I have to enter my password to unlock the drive. Okay. click on unlock. Look, my drive has been unlocked. Now I can open my drive. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you very much.